Hey guys, let's see how you can fix your iPhone when it's frozen like this. You see, I cannot change anything. It's not touchable. So the touch screen is not working at all. So what I have to do is just press a sequence of buttons here. The volume up, volume down, and then hold this key here to turn it off, right? So let's just do this. So press up, down, and then press and hold the power key. Keep holding here until you reboot, because sometimes you can just slide to power it off, but just keep holding here. You see that's restarting now. Then you see the Apple logo and it's back. All right, you see it's super simple. Just press here up, down, and then press here and hold. So you just need to hold the third button here. So up, down, and hold until it restarts, right? So restarting right now, you see the Apple logo there, and it's going to work again. So pretty simple. That's the way you can fix an iPhone frozen and you won't turn it off. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here if that works for you, if it doesn't work for you, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.